Well, in the Verizon Media Study, experts found that when capturing was utilized, there was an 8% improvement in ad recall, a 10% increase in memory quality, and a 13% boost in brand linkage as well. So, if we can increase our memory by using captions, surely we can improve knowledge retention too. Students are no longer consuming content in the confinements of their home. Watching the news on TV is a distant memory for many, and to the incoming students, may not even be a memory at all. So the portability of the mobile device has meant we take our whole selves and our whole online content with us as we move from place to place, meaning that captions are increasingly popular. So they're also extremely popular with those scrolling at home. Maybe someone sat on the couch next to their partner who's watching TV and they're scrolling through Instagram videos. Or maybe they're watching TV while drying their hair with a noisy hair dryer. So there's all these different scenarios where they may be used.